So today I'm testing my refrigerator on backup battery power. As you can see, I got it plugged in to an extension cord right there, and the lights are on. You can't hear it running, but it's running super duper quiet. For those of you that don't believe me, we'll follow the cord down to my basement. I got this idea from Stephen Harris on solar1234.com. My 100-foot 12-gauge homemade extension cord plugged into a 1200-watt inverter, and you can see it's running quiet, 180 watts, 12.8 amps roughly of DC current. And I've got 4 like 120 amp hour marine batteries right there. So we're going to see how long I can run my refrigerator on these batteries. Stay tuned.